Alright, so she's all registered. We got a plate on it. And now, I just saw this at the local store. We're going to try to follow the directions with this thing. And see. And it's raining again. Because of course it is. Let's see if we can follow the directions on this and get the headlights to look a little bit better. We'll see. Apply headlight lens repair and renew compound. Small cotton cloth. Spread product evenly over full dull headlight surface with moderate pressure and slow back and forth motion for 30 seconds. Buff area with dry cloth. Repeat if necessary. And then we got to sand it down and then do that again. Well, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start with the one that's not as bad just to see how she comes out. You can see there's still some, I've wiped it, washed it pretty good, but there's still some fuzz and it's a little yellow. So, we will see. Alright, that's after the first buff with the, I guess it's a polishing compound. Looks a little bit better. Still got some fuzz in it though. Not too bad. And now we're going to wet sand it. Comes with a little two-sided wet sanding thing. So we're going to do that. Alright, that's after the wet sand. Fogged it up pretty good. Worst case, I'll whip out my buffing wheel and we will hit this till it melts. But, so now we're going to put polish back on it and see what she does. Alright, so we hit it with the polish again after wet sanding. Then I wet sanded it a little bit more on the top here where it was a little scuffy. But, looking pretty good. I guess the lighting isn't great, but it's not really fuzzy. It ain't perfect, but it's 10 years old. So, there's a ceramic thing that we're supposed to use as well. Clean and correct, yep. Open pouch. Using the included glove. Quickly coat both lenses with an even back and forth motion. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for it to dry. I guess there's no buffing after that. So, since it takes a glove, we'll wait until after we do the other one. But yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So, the test is going to be now. Yeah, that actually really does look pretty good. There's still a little spot up there in the top left corner of it, but that's much better. Test is going to be this one because this one is pretty gritty. So we're going to go and see what we can do. Alright, that's after a couple of whacks with the wet sanding. Looks fairly smooth. And we're going to see if the buffing compound will take it out. Not bad. Not bad at all. And compared to before, that is a million times better. Yeah, not bad. About 30 minutes worth of buffing. Arm hurts a little bit. Gotta put some force on it, but no, that's not terrible. So now I guess we're gonna put the ceramic stuff on it and let it dry. No, that's fantastic. Excellent. Happy, happy, happy. That looks really good. Not bad for about 15 bucks. And you could probably get it cheaper because I got it at a grocery store for the little kit. But, oh yeah, that's a lot better. That is much, 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 much better. Very, very nice. What do you know? Look at this. That is impressive. That is impressive. And honestly, there's enough left in that kit to probably do another set. So, $8. Not bad. Not bad at all. Seems ridiculous to do it on a car like this, but that just spiffs up the front end. That makes it look good. I am impressed. Certainly with the paint quality that this thing has, the masking probably wasn't really necessary because it's crap, but I like doing it anyway. Absolutely. 100% worth it. That was much better than I expected. Not bad at all. Yeah, so she's legal and ready to rip. And airbag light's still on. We will see. Once my tool hopefully comes in next week that I can check all that stuff, we can figure out what we got to do with that. Although the windshield place told me that that doesn't matter, so they can put an inspection sticker on it anyway as long as the emissions, the check engine light's not on. And honestly, up here, the check engine light doesn't matter. So once we get the windshield changed in about 3 weeks, when I get in line over there, get an inspection sticker, and she's finished. So far, I'm real happy with it. That headlight restore really spiffed it up. That is not bad. Let's put the hood down. Yeah. Much, much better. Much, much better. I did not expect that to work so well. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in. And we'll be back when we start working on the tune-up. Talk to y'all later. Take care.